I want to share with you on how to take this scooter apart and put it back together. It's really good to be able to do that, and it's very easy. So you could actually, within a couple of minutes, have this unassembled and putting it in your trunk or the back seat of your SUV or your truck or whatever, and then you go ahead and reassemble it, and you don't really have to have a special lift or anything like that, and it just makes it that much easier to take it apart. It's not as heavy, and let me go ahead and start showing you how to do that. So what you want to do right here is go ahead and take this basket off, and what you do here is you press this right here, and then as you can see, when you press that, it just slides off just like that. So that's the first part. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians, and if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. The second part would be the seat itself. Now you could fold this guy down, the backrest, and you just pull up at it, and that just comes off just like that. The battery itself is one of the heavier parts. That just, you gotta pull on it. It's down with Velcro. That's it. It comes off just like that. And then you could go ahead and lower this by turning this guy here on the side, right here. And then you can lower the steering wheel. And then right back here is, show you that close up. You got this guy right here. You put your hand underneath it like this, lift it up, and then I'll just go ahead and show you how that works. So once you lift that up, you lift this whole unit, this whole front part here, you lift that up and you roll it forward. And then I'll go ahead and show you how this looks all down here. So right here you got the two hooks on each side, and it shows green on each, so that you line up when you put it back to those two green on the bar there. So right there, the whole unit is separated. So now you have the battery, the front part, the rear part, the motor itself, and then you have the seat and the basket. So you got your 5 pieces, and that is how it looks when it's all separated. So now you can go ahead and put the stuff into the vehicle. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set this all up. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. So like I was saying, the green hooks go to the bar. So you lift up on this and you go ahead and have it go like that and let it down. There you go. Now that is intact. The next thing you want to do is turn this on the side, loosen it, and lift up the steering bar here, and then tighten it up. Just like that. And then the next thing you want to go ahead and do is put the battery in, and all you do is line it up. There you go. Now that is in, and I could go ahead and turn it on. And right there you can see we got power. And then the next thing you want to do is put the seat on. It also has that in the back where you can add accessories right back here to this thing. If you watch some of our other videos, you can see what my wife has in hers in putting accessories and stuff like that. And I just want to let you know, these right here, these handlebars, if you want, they can be adjusted, or you can take them completely out if you don't want to have them in. So then you go ahead and put the seat in. It just slides in like that. That should be all good. Then you want to come back up to the front to go ahead and put the basket back on. And that's really easy. Press that in, and then it hooks up right there and right there. So you got hooks right there and right down here. So it goes right above both of them and just slide it in, and there you go. That's it. Also nice too, you could take it off and use it as a basket to go inside a store or something like that, get your goods. But anyway, that's it. That's how you unassemble it and assemble it up. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.